We're going to be talking about money, okay? How much YouTube paid me. Hey guys, it's Katherine here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so grateful and I'm so glad that you're here. I like having you guys here. For my returning subscribers, I'm so grateful. You keep coming back to watch my videos week in, week out. I do not take this for granted. So today's video, we're going to be talking about money, okay? Just like the title says, we're going to be talking about how much YouTube paid me for being on the platform for 2 years and my monetization journey. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, definitely keep on watching, okay? Okay. So guys, I'm going to start by saying that I put out my first YouTube video on the 16th of April 2022. So guys, I'm going to be looking down a bit during the course of this video because I need to be sure of the numbers, like the dates that I'm calling out. I have them written down, so I have to look down to look at the dates and all of that. So I put out my first YouTube video on the 16th of April 2022, and I've been on YouTube for 2 years now. I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. I think a year now. I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. It should be a year now. I received my Google AdSense pin on the 1st of July 2021. My identity was verified on the 11th of May 2021. Now I'm giving you guys so much dates. So what it means is, first thing first, I think we should start from the requirements. How do you get accepted into the Google AdSense program? So now, I think I should start from the beginning. How do you make money on YouTube? You first of all have to have a YouTube channel, okay? So when you create your YouTube channel, you've been putting out content. So you need to, so one of the requirements is to have a YouTube channel. The next thing is to create a Google AdSense account. You know, when you have gotten the requirements to be to be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Now, what is the YouTube Partner Program? What it means basically is partnering, having a partnership with YouTube. And how do you have a partnership with YouTube? You have a partnership with YouTube by being accepted into that YouTube Partner Program. And in order to be accepted there, you need to have a Google AdSense account, okay? So first things first, you create your YouTube channel, you start putting out videos. So what is the requirement? The requirement is for you to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you should also have 4,000 watch hours within a year period. So annual 4,000 watch hours, like you need to get it within the frame, 1 year frame. So let's say for instance, you have 4,000 watch hours last year and you have it 2 years ago, and the year in view that YouTube is considering you for the YouTube Partner Program is, for instance, in 2021, and you had 4,000 watch hours in 2020, then in 2021 you have not been putting out videos, your watch hours will reduce. So you need to have 4,000 watch hours within a year period. Like it needs to be annual, within one particular year, a year in view. I hope you guys understand me. So you need to have that 4,000 watch hours. You need to have 1,000 subscribers before you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. When you're accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, that is when you'll be needed to verify your identity. So I got a mail from YouTube. I'm going to leave it up here. So I got a mail from YouTube telling me, I'll put it on the screen, telling me that I had been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, and I got another mail saying that I needed to verify my identity. So that email that I got asking me to verify my identity. So guys, I apologize if the lighting is not great. Permit me. Like, I really need to put out this video today, so just permit me. They've taken the light, yes. We're in Nigeria and this is how it works. I turned on the gen and apparently my fuel is out, so I don't have fuel anymore. So guys, please just permit me today. We are just going to film this video nonetheless. I've been moving this video for some time now, and I'm not going to take no for an answer today. I'm putting out this video today. Okay, so back to the video. So I got an email from YouTube asking me to verify my identity, which I did. I verified my identity using my international passport. I have a detailed video where I talked about like my monetization process, like what I did, everything that I did for my monetization. I have the video. I'm going to leave a card up here, so definitely check out that video. Okay, all the information, all the questions that you have would be answered when you watch that video. So yeah, so after verifying my identity, I needed to also verify my address. So I got another email from YouTube. So I think there were some things that I needed to do. You find all that details in that video. So the card is up here. Check it out. So then that was when Google sent me my Google AdSense pin. So I had to put in the pin to verify my address. So after that, I think the next stage was, I think that was it. So then there's another requirement in order for you to make your first YouTube payment. Now let's get to the money part. Okay, so for you to be able to make money on YouTube, or for you to be able to receive your first YouTube paycheck, so guys, the least amount threshold for payments is $100. Okay, and that was the amount that YouTube paid me. So if you do not earn up to $100 in a month, YouTube keeps moving your earnings to the next month till you meet the threshold. When I met the threshold, I got a mail from YouTube. I'm going to leave that mail on the screen. I think I'll leave it here, or I'll leave it here. You definitely see it. So I got a mail from YouTube saying that I'd met the threshold for payment and that I would receive my payment. Then I think I got another mail from YouTube informing me that the money was in my account. So like the way YouTube pays you is a direct deposit. So I have a dollar account. So that's the account that I linked to my Google AdSense account where I receive my earnings from YouTube. So yeah, I've gotten my first YouTube payment. It's really exciting. The money is small. $100 is small, but it's something. Do you understand? I've been doing this for a while. YouTube is a lot of work. Like I buy stuff. I've not even started using a camera, but for the few things that I buy them with money. And the time that I put into, make a video, sit down to make a video, or even when I vlog, it's a lot. And then editing the video, like YouTube is a lot of work. So to know that my work can be, I can benefit from like all the work that I put into the platform is something very exciting. Like I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, that is my monetization story. So guys, in order to make money here on YouTube, if you want to make more money, I think people that put out tech videos, people that put out like financial videos, like money that has to do with investing and all of that, people that put out those kind of content, they make more money here on YouTube than people like us that are lifestyle influencers, because like advertisers pay more for those kind of adverts, I guess. So those people make more money, but nonetheless we make money here on the platform. So how do I, as a YouTuber, how do you make money? Or as my subscriber, as someone that watches my videos, how do you support me? You support me by watching the ads in my videos. That's how I make money, guys, when you watch those ads. So the reason why I've been doing YouTube for 2 years and I've been monetized for a year now, and for 1 year of being monetized, I've only made $100, is because you guys are not watching the ads. Okay, so if you want me to make more money on YouTube, you need to watch the ads. That's how I make money. That's how YouTubers make money. Subscribers is good because having this high subscriber count helps you when you're pitching to brands or when brands are trying to work with you. But what really helps in making money from Google AdSense, from YouTube, is when people watch your ads. So guys, watch an ad today. Support that's your favorite YouTuber by watching the ads on their videos. So yeah, we have come to the end of this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share till I come your way next time. Bye. Thank you.